So I thought I would just do a midday update. Here we are, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. And I just want to bring you up to date on what's going on with the Forex market and crypto and gold, in case you didn't see my analysis yesterday. So, first of all, looking at the calendar, the forexfactory.com, we have a little bit of news today, in the U.S. session, depends what time, wherever you are in the world. Check forexfactory.com for your local times. In Southeast Asia, it'll be 8:30 p.m. And we have some news on the Canadian economy, core retail sales. But of course, everybody who trades gold is watching the U.S. news, and that will be the core PCE price index month on month. And that could have an impact on the movement of gold and major U.S. pairs. So we'll be watching for that today. That's about 8 hours from now, 7 hours from now, depending on where you are in the world. Okay. So, and also in about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, there is some news on the GBP, the retail sales. So if you're trading the pound odd, pound US, pound CAD, euro pound, anything with a pound as a base currency or a core currency, well, you need to be watching this news here for the retail sales on the UK, the United Kingdom. Well, let's switch over to the chart. And of course, look at gold first. There we go. And we have gold is bearish. Okay, definitely bearish. That nobody would question that. Gold is going down. It's day one on the strategy that we use for bearish on the day one chart, and on the strategy we use on the H4 chart, also bearish. And nothing has changed since yesterday. Okay, we still have support at 25.85. It got down to 25.86 yesterday, so that's a support zone. Very strong the day before and yesterday. 25.85 is still the support zone, and resistance is still 26.37. So we're trading in that range yesterday, and it tried to get up to the resistance, but didn't make it, and came down and hit support. But if you did a buy limit yesterday at 25.85, 25.86 in that zone, you would be in profit now. But it's just going sideways for most of today, and we just wait and see what's going to happen today. Being Friday, maybe not much going on this afternoon, or wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is. But when the U.S. market opens, we might see more volume, more activity. However, remember, it's Christmas next week. Merry Christmas, everyone. And so that means people are starting to go on holidays, and there's less volume, less liquidity in the market. So we might not see much action at all. We just had this big move here on Thursday, and that was because on Wednesday night, Thursday, depending wherever you are in the world, that was because of the FOMC and the U.S. putting the interest rate down. But otherwise, other than that, we're not seeing very many big moves on gold. But definitely bearish, so look for an opportunity to sell. And if you wanted to do a sell limit, a good price for that would be around 2609. 2609 for a sell limit on gold. 2609. I don't know if it will get up there today, but it might. 2609 for a sell limit. Look for an opportunity to sell gold. Right now, it doesn't want to go below 2600, 2600 is very strong psychological support. But with gold being bearish, and definitely bearish on all the charts, it looks like we might break below 2600. So just quickly, we'll look at Bitcoin, and it had a big drop yesterday and almost got to our support level at 95,000. That's this blue line here. Didn't quite get there, got down to 95,700. But this zone you see right here where it's bouncing off, that's 97,000. I told you 97,000 is a minor support. I really like that price. If you want to buy Bitcoin, 97,000 where we are now is a good price to buy. Or you can be patient and conservative and have a buy limit at 95,000. But we have support at 95,000. Now we have resistance at 100,000. Okay, that's here. And then we have resistance at 105,000, higher up where we've been well above that just earlier this week. But it's dropped down, made a correction, a pullback, nothing to worry about. This is normal in trading. We see it with everything, with gold, with all commodities, all currencies, all cryptos. Nothing goes straight up, nothing goes straight down. So with Bitcoin being bullish, we look for an opportunity to buy, and I like the price of 97,000 where it is right now, $97,084. Good price to buy Bitcoin. And then we look at Doge, and Doge has made a big drop. Okay, and we've got support at way down here where it almost got to yesterday. And if you want to have a buy on Doge, it hasn't been here for a long time. It's a very strong support. So at support, 0.2970, 0.2970, good place to buy Doge. It almost got there yesterday, but not quite. So it might come back down and hit that again. And that would be a good place to get buy trade on Doge. And then XRP, look at XRP, also a buy limit on that at support, where it did drop below that. It hit it and then dropped a little bit below. If you got in at that price yesterday, you're doing very well today, already in profit. But it looks like it might come down and hit that again at our support level there, 2.2175. So that's why I have a buy limit at 2.2175 on XRP. And then back to gold before I close out. Nothing really to say. Not much has changed since yesterday. I just wanted to update you in the middle of the day here on Friday in Southeast Asia. And so wherever you are in the world, I wish you a great day. TGIF, thank goodness it's Friday. I hope you have a good weekend. And I will be back later when the U.S. session opens. So I will see you then.